In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a doctor appointment form using Jotform in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up your practice's online booking system or streamlining the appointment scheduling process, this tutorial will guide you through each step to get your form up and running quickly and efficiently. So let's get started. The first step you need to take is to head over to jotform.com. If you haven't already, sign in using your credentials. Jotform is a powerful online form builder that offers a variety of customizable templates that can assist you in creating forms for various purposes, and today we'll specifically focus on doctor appointment forms. After signing in, direct your attention to the upper left side of the screen and click on the Create button. This is where you'll start your form building journey. Once you click on Create, you'll see several options. Choose Form and then click on Use Template. This will open up Jotform's extensive library of pre-made templates. Using a template can save you time and ensure that you include all the necessary fields for a doctor appointment form. Next, you'll want to search for an online doctor's appointment template. Simply type those keywords into the search bar and you'll be presented with a number of template options. Browse through them and select the one that best fits your needs and preferences. Remember, choosing the right template is crucial as it will serve as the foundation for your form, so take a moment to look through your options. Once you find a template that suits your requirements, click on Use Template. This action will bring the template into the Jotform editor, where you'll have the opportunity to customize it further. Now this is the fun part. You'll edit the template as needed, tailoring it to fit the specifics of your practice. You might want to include fields like patient name, contact information, preferred appointment dates, and any specific requirements or health concerns a patient might have prior to their appointment. Personalization is key as it allows you to capture all the essential information while also reflecting your practice's unique brand and approach to patient care. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've created a doctor appointment form that's personalized and ready to use. Jotform's intuitive platform makes this process not only straightforward but also incredibly flexible, allowing you to adapt the form at any time as your needs evolve. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial on creating a doctor appointment form with Jotform. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Until next time, happy form building.